you are a bird watcher lover, then I'll show you one bird, Australian bird, migrated bird. I can come here near the lake. Yes. These birds migrate from other countries like Australia, and they're Julie long. This is Julie long bird. Okay, Australia. There are many birds here, and I love bird watching. There are many types of birds here. I will show you. See this. Okay, all. When this is this side, but there are other side just because of there are many birds here in this pond also, but they are just to this sunlight you can't see. I'll show you. See this inside here. See this. See this birds. This is the bird. This I'm telling you, these birds when they come here, migrate and come and stay here. Once they come to Kolhapur, if Australian birds come to Kolhapur, once they come, they will not go back because the weather is nice. There is food, lots of food is available. Like see this, in this, lots of food is, lots of food is available. Food is available, and they get many types of girlfriends here. All birds get Kolhapuri girlfriends, birds. So there are Kolhapuri, these birds get Kolhapuri birds girlfriends. There are lots of full enjoyment here in. So these birds migrate from other countries, and once they come to Kolhapur, they don't go back because weather is nice, food is there, lots of food is there, and there is no tension. No one kills them. There is safety. So very clever these Australian birds and Julie long birds. These are all Julie long birds. See, I'll show you. See this, very nice bird. Wow.